Vidura College, Grade 3, English Language. Verbs. Hello children, hope you all are doing well. First of all, let's see what are we going to learn today. Today, we are going to learn what are verbs, verb tenses, singular and plural of the verbs. Okay children, let's start our lesson. Verbs. What are verbs, children? Well, verbs are words that tell us what something or somebody does. They are also known as doing words or action words. Examples: sing and eat. So, my dear children, as we all know, there are many verbs in English language. Now, let's learn some examples of verbs. Sit, cry, teach, run, drink, cook, dance, sleep, walk, jump, read, bark, dig. We do actions in 3 different stages. Sometimes we do things now. Sometimes we have done things in the past. Sometimes we are going to do things in the future. So, as you can see, doing things depend on the time. So, my dear children, if we do things now, it is called present tense. If we did things in the past, it is known as past tense. And if we are going to do things in the future, it is called as future tense. Now we are going to learn about simple present tense. Simple present tense is a verb tense. We use it to describe the things that is happening now or the things that happens regularly. That means the actions happen generally or the habits in your daily life. Here are some examples: run, drink, draw, walk, eat, sleep. Next, we are going to learn about simple past tense. Simple past tense is a verb tense that is used to talk about the things that happened in the past. In simple past tense, we talk about the actions that are already finished in the past. Here are some examples: ran, drank, drew, walked, ate, slept. The last tense is simple future tense. The simple future tense is a verb tense. In simple future tense, we talk about the actions that are going to happen in the future. Here are some examples: will run, will drink, will draw, will walk, will eat, will sleep. Let's learn some verbs in 3 tenses. Look at this table, children. In here, the simple present tense verb is throw and the simple past tense verb is true. Then simple future tense verb is will, throw. Next, simple present tense verb is eat. Then the simple past tense verb is ate. And simple future tense verb is will eat. Next one. Simple present tense verb is teach. Simple past tense verb is taught. Then the simple future tense verb is will teach. Next one. Simple present tense verb is sleep. Then simple past tense verb is slept. And simple future tense verb is will sleep. Next, simple present tense verb is cook. Simple past tense verb is cooked. Simple future tense verb is will cook. Next, simple present tense verb is walk. Simple past tense verb is walked. Simple future tense verb is will walk. Next, simple present tense verb is sing. Then simple past tense verb is sang. And simple future tense verb is will sing. Next, simple present tense verb is jump. Simple past tense verb is jumped. Simple future tense verb is will jump. Next, simple present tense verb is find. Simple past tense verb is found. Simple future tense verb is will find. Then the last one. Simple present tense verb is speak. Simple past tense verb is spoke. And the simple future tense verb is will speak. These are some of the verbs that we use more often. Look at this table. In here, the simple present tense verb is swim. So, the simple past tense of that verb is swam. Next, the simple present tense verb is fight. So, the simple past tense verb is fought. Next, the simple present tense verb is sweep. So, the simple past tense of that verb is swept. Next, simple present tense verb is bring. So, the simple past tense of that verb is brought. Next, the simple present tense verb is push. So, the simple past tense of that verb is pushed. Next, the simple present tense verb is stand. So, the simple past tense of that verb is stood. Now it's time to do an exercise. In here, you have to fill the following table by using the correct verb tense. Okay, children, let's do it. Let's check your answers. First one. The simple past tense verb is sang. The simple future tense verb is will sing. Second one. The simple future tense verb is will dig. Third one. The simple present tense verb is speak. Fourth one, the simple present tense verb is teach. And the simple past tense verb is taught. Last one, the simple past tense verb is ate. You did it. Well done, children. Now we are going to learn about singular and plural of the verbs. Children, can you remember in a previous lesson we learnt about singular and plural nouns. So, verbs also have two different forms. They are singular and plural verbs. So, singular verbs are used with singular nouns and plural verbs are used with plural nouns. Now look at this example. The dog barks. Now here we have used a singular noun with a singular verb. So the singular noun is dog. The singular verb is barks. Then look at the next one. The dogs bark. In here we have used a plural noun with a plural verb. So the plural noun is dogs and the plural verb is bark. As you can see, the singular verb is different from the plural verb. You can form the singular verb by adding s at the end of the verb stem while the plural verb remains same as the verb stem. If we take the same example which we used in the previous slide, there you can see how we have used a singular verb by adding s to the verb stem with a singular noun. And also you can see how we have used a plural verb without changing the verb stem with a plural noun. Remember, my dear children, this method only applies for simple present tense of a verb. Now look at these examples for singular and plural verbs. The first verb stem is smile. So when we form the plural verb, we do not change the verb stem. Therefore, the plural verb is smile. But when we form the singular verb, we add s at the end of the verb stem. Therefore, the singular verb becomes smiles. Then the second verb stem is walk. In here, the plural form of the verb is walk and the singular form of the verb is walks. The third verb stem is drive. In here, the plural form of the verb is drive and the singular form of the verb is drives. The fourth verb stem is bake. So the plural form of the verb is bake and the singular form of the verb is bakes. The fifth verb stem is make. So the plural form of the verb is make and the singular form of the verb is makes. The last verb stem is look. In here, the plural form of the verb is look and the singular form of the verb is looks. Now we are going to learn few sentences with singular and plural form of the verbs. Look at the first one. Now you can see we have added s for the verb stem which is flows as the noun river is a singular noun. Second one. In here we have not changed the verb stem which is sit as the noun children is a plural noun. Third one. In here, we have added s for the verb stem, which is walks, as the noun boy is a singular noun. Fourth one. In here also, we have added s for the verb stem, which is bakes, as the noun mother is a singular noun. Fifth one. In here, we have not changed the verb stem, which is sing, as the noun girls is a plural noun. Now look at this example. I read a book. In here, even though the noun is singular, we have not changed the verb stem because I is special. So that means when we use verbs with I, we do not change the verb stem. Let's do another small exercise. In here, you have to underline the correct form of the verb. First one. My sister make or makes tasty cakes. Second one. The moon shine or shines at night. Third one. The horses gallop or gallops fast. Fourth one. My teacher says that I speak or speaks good English. Fifth one. The boys run or runs very fast. Okay, children, now let's do this exercise. Now it's time to check your answers. First one. My sister makes tasty cakes. Second one. The moon shines at night. Third one. The horses gallop fast. Fourth one. My teacher says that I speak good English. Fifth one. The boys run very fast. Well done, children. Okay, my dear children, I hope that you enjoyed the lesson. So, stay safe at home. See you soon. Bye-bye.